What's up, beautiful people? Hey, look, anybody can pull a rabbit out of a hat. But how many people can pull a hat out of a rabbit? Hey, guys, welcome to another 1 Million Ways to Market video, guys, where we're going to be talking about how to market yourself online, how to market yourself on YouTube, how to market yourself on Facebook, how to market yourself, how to market your business, how to market anything that you want, guys. And so we're back inside the website, link, rotator, advertising, traffic, resource training, guys. And what we're talking about in this video is how to advertise and how to use the URL link rotator. And so in the last video, I talked to you guys about how you were able to sign up for an actual service, right? And how you could get yourself a link rotator, and how you could take that rotator and you could put different, up to 10 for a free account in this instance, of your favorite URLs inside of that rotator, and you could use those rotators to get a little bit more bang for your buck, just in terms of your advertising, your marketing, right? And so I showed you guys an example, and I'll go through it again just to see, you guys will see how this works. The name of the platform is Connects. And so I just got the rotator hooked up to there now, because I'm going to show you guys another example, if you guys remember that video, of exactly how you can start using that very same link rotator, guys. But now we're going to be talking about how to actually use this Connect URL link rotator in your email marketing campaigns, okay? Because check this out. If you're an email marketer, you're going to be sending emails to the new list of subscribers that you are building, right? So when you're sending out those emails, hopefully you've already done your targeting. You know that the people on your list are fellow affiliate marketers just like yourself, or they're fellow MLMers just like yourself, or they're fellow MLMers or network marketers, or they're people who are looking for ways to make money from home. Wow, I'm so excited, guys. I can't even get the words out. Anyway, those people on your list, when you're promoting to that list of individuals, those new team members, those new prospects, you want to continue to provide them with the very same types of products and services that they got on your email subscribers list for in the very first place. So as you start to fire up your email marketing campaigns and or your broadcast, you can do what I'm about to show you. And now, guys, we're going to take a link rotator and we're going to add that link rotator to the follow-up emails. So just a few. You don't have to stuff that rotator with a lot of offers, but the offers that you do insert inside the link rotators, which are going to be inserted inside the email, are vast enough, and they still cater to the list of email subscribers that you're starting to build. The people coming into your newsletter, the people coming onto your list. So watch this. We're going to go inside of Leads Leap, guys. Well, let me get back. We're going to go inside of Leads Leap real quick. And what I want to show you guys in this video is how you can take an email, right, and put a link rotator inside of that email, and let the email messages that you're sending out present more than one offer as your prospects are opening up those emails. Okay, so I'm going to go to one of my lists, and I'm going to go to my list manager, and I'm going to go to my 1 Million Ways to Market newsletter. Okay, if I can find it. And there it is right there, guys. 1 Million Ways to Market. That's my proprietary newsletter for the 1 Million Ways to Market membership, for the 1 Million Ways to Market bonuses and services, So, it's a brand new list, but I want to show you guys exactly what I'm talking about in this illustration, where we're talking about using these link rotators in your emails. So that's the list. So let's go to the email series inside of the list, because I've written up a few emails inside of that list. And so for this illustration, guys, I actually put an email inside of the link rotator, inside of the email series, and I'm going to show you guys what that looks like. What it looks like to you guys who are on my list. If you're email marketers, if you guys are doing this, this is definitely a strategy that you can start implementing right now today. And for anybody that just happens to be on YouTube and you want to know how to use URL link rotator, right? How do you use it? What is it for? Well, inside of 1 Million Ways to Market, I covered in the video before this, and we're going to continue, and I'm going to show you guys just an additional strategy. And it doesn't end here of how you can use that link rotator. So that email that I just said in here, guys, is called just checking in on you, okay? So I'm going to click that email, and I'm going to send myself a test email. I'm just going to send myself a test email, okay? And so you'll see that email has been sent to my email inbox. Hopefully it's in my email inbox. Well, now I got to sign in, guys. This is terrible. I hate when I have to do that. Anyway. Okay, so let me sign into my account, guys, okay? Wow, let me pause this video for 1 second. Okay, guys, we are inside my email inbox right now. And so that email that I sent myself, let me enlarge my screen just a little bit. There's the email that I just sent myself. And now what I want you guys to imagine is you're following up with your list as these subscribers are coming onto your list. You're following up with your new team members. You're following up with your new teammates. What type of products and services are they interested in? It depends on the umbrella. It depends on the niche or the sub-niche that you are in. And so as affiliate marketers, we're always looking for new training. We're always looking for new products and services. We're looking always for new income streams, right? We all want multiple income streams, and as long as they fall under that umbrella, these are the exact type of URL that you want to insert into those link rotators so that you're divvying out different products and services to your entire database, that list, who are clicking those links inside of your email. So let's take a look and see what it looks like, guys, okay? So now, I put the link, I think I put the link inside of here, guys. And this is how the email reads, okay? So we're following up with our prospects, and I just wanted to take the time to thank you again for subscribing to my newsletter and visiting my website the other day, because I'm always looking for hot, new, creative ways to spread the word about generating even more exposure for our systems, new training, and new income streams. I'm convinced this might be something of interest to you, or some interest to you. And so we click. And from that click, guys, because of that link rotator, we can take our prospects over to a great traffic resource, right? Because we all need traffic, right? But for others who are hitting that link, it's in a rotator, we can also take them over to some great training or a special report. In this instance, how to earn autopilot income even when no one joins your primary biz op. So we got a traffic source, we got special reports. Let's hit the link rotator again. Wow, I'm bringing people right back inside of the 1 Million Ways to Market membership, guys, where I'm, I've changed the face of 1 Million Ways to Market. I know a lot of you guys know that now. Everything, guys, is so streamlined that you can get in here now and really go to work. We talk about those SOPs, those standard operational procedures. Well, now, guys, they're neatly packed, stacked, and locked away inside of the 1 Million Ways to Market ship, and it's just going to keep getting better. Okay, so anyway, now we got all kinds of great products, services, resources we can redirect our potential prospects to right from, the email that has a rotator locked into it, if that makes sense. And so now, guys, there's another lead capture page if you want to bring people onto a brand new list. Let me make an announcement real quick. I have to do this, guys, because I got to call out an internet marketer, guys, Sherrod Lowe. I just got to call him out. Sherrod, if you're on the video, if you're listening, you know how much I appreciate your work, man. You know how we go. Sherrod Lowe